So you tap this call, this phone, as if you want to call, you tap it like this. So once you get to this place now, by the top right hand corner, you see these 3 dots there, the top right hand corner close to the battery. You click on it. Once you click on it, then you click on settings. See settings now, you click on settings. Once you click on settings, you see calling account. First one, second one, the third one now, calling account. You click on calling account. Once you click on calling account, then the SIM that is showing you private number. If it is your MTN, then you click on the MTN like so. Once you click on the MTN, then you see additional settings, the last option. You click on additional settings. So you wait for it to load. Once you click on additional settings, now you see this first one that says caller ID. You click on the caller ID like so. So you can see network default, hide number, and show number. So if it is on hide number, you put it on network default, or you put it on show number. It should not be on hide number, but the default should be on network default. Once you do that, you restart the phone and you try it again.